Hi Aurora, welcome back to Water Saving Tips with Tim. On today's episode, we're talking with Morgan Hopkins-Crowley about smart irrigation controllers. Morgan, can you tell me what makes an irrigation controller a smart irrigation controller?
Absolutely. So smart irrigation controllers use local weather and landscape conditions to tailor the irrigation schedule to meet the needs of the plant's watering requirements.
Well, that sounds really fancy, but do they actually save any water?
So yes, they can. When they are programmed, installed, and maintained correctly, they can save water when it comes to efficient irrigation scheduling. But if the rest of your system is a mess, such as broken heads, leaks, tilted, sunken heads, anything that's causing inefficiencies, they're really kind of pointless.
Interesting. So if I want one of these fancy things, where do I get one?
Great question. So these are available at most of your local big box stores or irrigation supply stores, but you can also purchase them online. And as a bonus, Aurora Water actually has rebates for smart controllers.
That's great. Thanks, Morgan. All right, Aurora, if you want to upgrade your irrigation controller to a smart irrigation controller, you can find them at a lot of places or online. And if you're a Aurora resident, Aurora Water customer, we have rebates as well to help you pay for these things. So make sure you're using your controller the way it's meant to be used. If you get a smart controller, make sure you program it right, and that will help you use your water wisely.